Hi, I'm Scott Saxon with Sonic Tools. For those of you interacting with us for the first time, let me give you a quick rundown of our company. We are the single source solution when the need arises for professional tools, high-end storage, asset management solutions, and consistent service, all of which comes at the most affordable price on the professional side of the tool industry. Companies call on us for recruiting and retention needs, organizational needs, productivity and throughput needs, but most importantly, our customers are calling us because they want a better experience. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of our field toolbox solutions. It's just one of many that we offer. Okay, let's take a look at this box. Open up our first drawer, you'll see we have our inventory control book with our QR code badge for warranty exchange. This is our intermediate aviation set. It's 263 pieces. As you can see, everything is foam shadowed. And because of the Sonic foam system's efficiency, we're able to fit all these tools in the first 4 drawers of this toolbox, leaving your next 4 drawers available for expansion. Something unique about Sonic Tools is our inventory control book. This inventory control book comes with each set of tools. It'll give you an inventory sheet for every drawer that you have in here. For example, this first sheet is a schematic or a breakdown of this top drawer of this toolbox. In the event that a tool goes missing or something needs to be warrantied, it's very easy to identify the tool, the location, and tie that to a part number. There'll be an inventory sheet in this booklet for every drawer that's in this toolbox. On the inside cover, we have our warranty exchange process with a printed QR code as well as a metallic QR code that you can adhere to the front of the toolbox. This is, again, another example of the Sonic difference. Now I'm going to walk you through the Sonic Tools hassle-free warranty exchange process. In the event that you need to exchange a tool, you simply take 2 photos of the tool, one to include the part number. You can go into your inventory control book, scan the QR code, which will take you directly to our warranty exchange page on our website. You're going to fill in your information, upload your 2 photos. Once you've uploaded your 2 photos, you hit submit, and within 24 hours we will process your claim and ship you out a brand new tool. Sonic Tools, we want every aspect of your experience to be as seamless as possible. For added accountability and ultimate tool control, Sonic Tools offers in-house laser etching. This serialization process ties each tool to a specific toolbox or cabinet. For customers deploying multiple versions of the same tool set, laser etching will help mitigate cross-contamination of tools inside your facility. Having this option is another example of our dedication to being a true single-source company. So how do your tools arrive? They arrive like this. With Sonic Tools, even the unboxing is efficient. Your box is fully assembled, casters are on it, tools will be in the box and the Sonic foam system wrapped, so all you gotta do is unwrap and get to work.